Well, little artist, are you excited to begin? I'm really excited. My favourite time is just when there's a blank piece of paper and my imagination, and I'm about to begin. So, let's do it! Come on! La 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 la. Do I go? Do. Have I killed that rock that was? Have I killed do. La la la. What we go?
Hi, Artie.
Oh, hi, Bunny.
Are you drawing a carrot?
No,
Oh, I wish you would.
maybe next time.
Okay.
Bye. Keep watching, because in a few minutes we're all going to sing a song. It's time we had a little rest and sang a song. Don't you think so, little artists? Yeah? Okay. Are we ready? Let's do it. Let's have a song break.
Artie won't go outside today. He says there's no fun in the sun or the hay. I've got my books and my games galore. He locks his door and says no more. Stay inside where it's cozy and bright. No bugs, no mud, just my own delight. No wind, no sun, no outside call. Artie loves his room the best of all. Mom says you're missing the birds and bees. Artie says, but I like my ABCs. Outside is big and full of bugs. He hides from nature and gives a shrug. Stay inside where it's cozy and bright. No bugs, no mud, just my own delight. No wind, no sun, no outside call. Artie loves his room the best of all. He dreams of space in his rocket ship, with a comic book for his long, cool trip. Who needs the grass and who needs the slide? He's happy to stay and let his mind ride. Stay inside where it's cozy and bright. No bugs, no mud, just my own delight. No wind, no sun, no outside call. Artie loves his room the best of all.
Oh, I love music and songs, and that one was great. Let's carry on drawing now.
Wow, that's amazing!
So impressive!
Oh, this is so much fun. Wow, this one came out really good. Did yours come out good as well, little artist? I bet it did. Well, I think we should colour it now. What do you think? Yeah, let's colour it in.
Color it in, color it in, color, color, color it in.
Finished! Oh, wow, it came out really, really good, especially with colour. Colour makes everything better. That's why my whole studio is colourful. And my shirt, well, and my hair, I guess.
See you next time.
Well, that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed watching us. We loved having you. Bye-bye for now. And remember, have an arty day. Bye. Bye.